Hey, it's Ange from Diz Our Dream, and we are here at Magic Kingdom on not even a hurricane, Tropical Storm Elsa day. So we're gonna check things out and see what it looks like. Okay, so it's about 5 o'clock. Just got an alert on my phone for rain. We have our umbrellas, right? Yeah. But it's not looking too bad, not looking too crowded. We'll have to see. I don't think people were too concerned about it, honestly, because it was downgraded. Yeah. But we're gonna check things out. All right, so Main Street's not looking too bad. I'd say the same amount of people leaving as coming in, wouldn't you say? Yeah. So, and then we hear there's modified fireworks for tonight, so we'll show you what those look like and fill you in. So the hub is still looking pretty normal, wouldn't you say? Yep. Same amount of people. I mean, it was pretty crowded here. We were here for fireworks last night, so. It was very crowded. Well, yeah, we'll have to see. That's what Abby was saying. It feels like the old days. Everything's back to normal. Castle's looking pretty, as usual. So we are going to find, we're looking for Mama Mouse. Trying to figure out where she is. Okay, so we cannot find Mama Mouse, so we're gonna head back to Haunted Mansion. That's what Jeff wanted us to ride. Since we didn't get to ride it yesterday, we're gonna ride it today. All right, so I got a call from my friend. There she is, Mama Mouse, Myersville, drinking water. So she called me and we met her, and now we're gonna do Haunted Mansion like I promised. Okay, distracted again. We're gonna see this little cavalcade before we head back to Haunted Mansion. Come on everybody, get your ears. Oh, they don't? Oh, they don't have them on stilts. Oh, yeah. So a modified cavalcade. Where's Minnie? Oh, there she is. No. Over there in my favorite dress. In your favorite dress? Yes. Her party dress. Yeah, no stilts today. All right. And then what's the purple around? Very cool. Okay, the ride stopped. I hope somebody didn't break it. What did you say? The spooks are being naughty. We're being naughty. It's very dark in here. Very dark. Somebody wants out.
Foolies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine.
All right, so we came out and it's raining, but it's probably just normal rain, right, Ab? Probably. All right, we'll have to see how bad it gets. Oh, goodness. All right, so we are going to get out of the rain, and we're going to go and come and visit Ariel. This ride is always cute.
Okay. Wow.
So this is a good place to come in and get out of the rain. And it's very cool in here. Nice and cool and dry.
Oh, she excited. Wait, let me start a story. What? No, what am I thinking? That's a terrible place to start a story.
All right, so we made a quick stop at Cosmic Ray's. Burger, good. Chicken sandwich, good. Yours was good. Mac and cheese. What is your slushy?
It's strawberry.
Strawberry slushy. Yum.
Delicious.
Okay, so after our dinner, we are going to ride the TTA. This is quite the line. So we showed that radar. Looks like something's coming, but so far so good. The rain has been staying away. All right, so we're getting on the TTA and look at us. We saw Jim from More Sunshine, Please. He's joining us on the ride.
That's right.
Yes, it's Jim's birthday, right? Birthday month. Celebrating 50.
Super special.
So I'm making a little video. All right, we are here for Pirates. Mama's excited about Pirates, right? Yes, look at her. Yes, it's not raining yet. We're lucked out. So we'll see.
Strike your feathers, dearie. Show them your flock.
Hey, send them hens to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want.
Who wants the rum? All right, so it's still holding off. So I feel it's sprinkling a little bit, but I think that's just normal. So while we're over here, Jeff wanted us to go check out the pin store. So let's go look and see if we can find some new pins. Look at all these magic bands. So there's Raya. Yeah, there was a guy yesterday that had a Luca magic band. That's cool. Nice. Protector of Light.
Turn around 3 times.
I love these up here. I have the one that looks like a key. They don't have it anymore. All right, so let's see this. It's the Orange Bird Funko Pop pin, special edition. Is that what SE means?
Probably.
Yeah, I had to get this for Jeff. It's adorable. Just like Jeff. Wah wah. Okay, so it is sprinkling right now. It's what, 8 o'clock? 8:34, so we gotta go get in line for fireworks soon, but it is holding off. So they're saying it's making landfall, right?
Yes.
And it's turned into a hurricane again, but so far all we have here are the outer bands and just sprinkles. So we lucked out for sure.
Yeah, it's definitely not as bad as it
Yeah, we're gonna put our umbrellas up though, I think, maybe soon. All right, so we are going to do Small World. It's 15 minutes, but I don't think it's really 15. I think it's a walk-on. Well, the cast member said I was right. Pretty close to it, I guess. Pretty close to a walk-on. So we're just moving right along here. We came off of Small World, we came out past the carousel and they have it blocked off like they used to in the old days. So we're gonna have to go find a spot. We're a little late, it's 9 o'clock. And it's drizzling, but we can still make it now. All right, so it is raining. We did not get a great spot, but 4 minutes to fireworks. You can see the castle, yes, 4 minutes to fireworks. So we'll show you guys the highlights. But yeah, I don't even think I'm gonna put up an umbrella. We're just gonna get wet, right? Yeah, it's fine. It's not really that bad. Yeah, not too bad. So.
That's what friends are
Where the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and the voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be."
Think about that.
Back to the old days, right, Ab? Got the cast members here with their wands, directing us out. Big crowds. I love it. Very cool. All right, wasn't too bad of a day, right? No, we ran into these guys. Zach's hiding while we were here. But we had fun, right, Ab? Yeah, it was fun. So, all right. Well, we found. Gosh. So all in all, nothing crazy yet. It's still raining, but we will keep everyone posted. Everybody stay.
Hurricane Ana is coming.
Everybody stay safe, and we will see you real soon. Bye.